All right, so today I'm going to show you how to change out a battery on a 2011 Honda Civic. Now, you want to pop open your hood here. So go ahead and pop the hood. Go ahead and open up your hood. All right, so here's what we're going to do first is we're going to take off your terminals. And this is a 10 millimeter, and this one here also will be a 10 millimeter. Just loosen it, and then you can wiggle this back and forth, just like I did here, and then you just pop it off. And then over here, you just loosen this nut, and then go ahead and wiggle this back and forth and pull it off. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take off the battery hold down. This will be a 10 millimeter also. All right, so the only thing we got left to do is remove your battery. All right, so now go ahead and drop your battery in place. And then what we're gonna do is we have to clean off your terminal clamps right here. See how white they are? That's corrosion. And you wanna clean that up. Both sides. So you got your negative side and then your positive side. So let's go ahead and clean that up. Now what you'll use, you can use battery cleaner, which gets down in there and actually cleans it up pretty good. And then a wire brush or one of these, which you can get from an auto parts store. It actually cleans the terminal, which if it's brand new, you don't need to do anything. So when you pop this off, it's already all set and ready to go. So you don't have to worry about that. That's what that is. And then if you open this up, you've got a just a wire brush on the end of that, and it gets down into the right down inside of here. All right, so now if you're using the battery cleaner, go ahead and put a rag down because it does make quite a mess. And then you'll want to just take it, you can shoot it all over the clamp here. And it actually gets down in there and it cleans pretty well. And then what you'll want to do is just take the wire brush, go ahead and stick it down inside of here, and then you'll start cleaning it. All right, so what you're going to do is, as you're putting it on, just wiggle it back and forth so it makes a good connection. And then what we're going to do is just go ahead and tighten this down with a 10 millimeter. Okay, you don't want it loose, so make sure it's tight. And then we'll go ahead and move to the, this is to the negative side of the battery terminal. So go ahead and put that one on, same 10 millimeter. All right, so the last thing that you want to do, just put on the hold down clamp and tighten it just good and snug, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video helped you out. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next one.